Introducing the revolutionized overseas remittance service. Before we start explaining the overseas remittance, we will need to talk about our authorized exchange system first. Generally, cryptocurrency exchanges around the world deal only with local fiat currency. While there are hundreds of cryptocurrencies in the user's wallet, there is always one local fiat currency available. To solve this problem, Atom Solutions developed an authorized exchange that provides buy and sell of eternal coin over different countries, and all of them are using the same wallet system, which is what we have called Eternal Wallet. Since each country's exchanges can deposit and withdraw of the local fiat currency, it is possible for the Eternal Wallet to have several fiat currencies. Eternal coin is only tradable in Eternal Wallet. In each country's exchange, they issue digital fiat currency based on the amount of money deposited by the user, and extinguish the issued digital fiat currency based on the money withdrawn. The amount deposited, which is equivalent to the issued digital fiat currency, is managed and kept separately in the local bank. Price fluctuation of eternal coin does not affect the increase or decrease of fiat currency. For example, a user bought one eternal coin at 100 Philippine pesos today. 10 days later, the market price increased to 200 Philippine pesos per coin, and the one eternal coin can now be sold at 200 Philippine pesos. This is not affecting the total amount of money that managed separately, because when 200 Philippine pesos is sold, it means someone has deposited 200 Philippine pesos of fiat currency into the wallet and buying the coin at 200 Philippine pesos. So, there will not be a situation where eternal coin market price will cause the withdrawal of fiat currency unavailable. The user's money needs to be kept in a separate bank account or deposit account from the bank account or expense account of the exchange. Problems of general overseas remittance service providers. In general overseas remittance business, if user remits 100 unit amount from country A to country B, the money goes into service provider in country A, and the money of service provider in country B decreased. If the situation continues, the service provider in country B will soon run out of money. Service provider in country A will then need to perform overseas remittance to transfer the money. However, if there is a counter-transfer of 100 units from country B to country A, both service providers will not have to perform overseas remittance but just domestic remittance to solve the problem of insufficient funds. That means, if the remittance amount from country A to country B and vice versa are exactly same, it is possible to provide the world's lowest cost overseas remittance service. However, the logic is not applicable to those people who do not want to perform overseas remittance. What if we apply cryptocurrency into overseas remittance? Would it be cheaper to send money overseas via cryptocurrency? Firstly, user has to buy the cryptocurrency using fiat money at the exchange. Secondly, transfer the purchased cryptocurrency overseas. Thirdly, the receiver will need to sell the received cryptocurrency into local fiat currency via the local exchange. With these transactions, remittance via cryptocurrency is sent in a cheaper way. However, trading between fiat currency and cryptocurrency are done twice, causing an extra transaction fee. As the result, the overseas transfer of cryptocurrency has reduced the costs, with the exception of overseas remittance. Why overseas remittance via bank is expensive? This is because most of the costs are spent on various kinds of transaction fees. We will explain how the Eternal Wallet works, in providing overseas remittance service with the world's lowest fee. We call this equivalent value overseas remittance, also known as EVOR. In Atom Solutions, we are managing a wallet called Pool Wallet that is independent from any exchanges, in order to provide the world's highest rate in money exchange service. Firstly, Atom Solutions will acquire local fiat money of each country by selling Eternal Coin to them. Secondly, Atom Solutions will transfer the obtained digital fiat currency to the pool wallet. For easier understanding, let's make an example using two countries, Japan and the Philippines. When the same amount is sent to the pool wallet, the balance will remain the same as shown in the image. When user is performing money exchange with Eternal Wallet, the currency exchange will be executed within pool wallet. When the previous transaction is executed, the JPY has slightly increased in the pool, meantime the PHP has slightly decreased. In this way, the balance in the pool will fluctuate every day, and if the situation is inclining to one of the countries performing money exchange and overseas remittance frequently, one side of the currency will increase and the other side will be running out soon. If we can eliminate this inclination, instead of executing overseas remittance we execute domestic remittance. As a matter of fact, we can achieve in providing the world's lowest cost overseas remittance. To solve this problem, not only the Japanese yen and Philippine peso but also cryptocurrency XEC will be added in the pool as well. XEC in the pool will be refilled by XEC's owner during their lending to the pool wallet. Users who lending their XECs to the pool will receive interest as the profit. Lending XEC to the pool is limited to the user and local currency pool only. If the balances of the fiat currencies in the pool are the same amount, the interest rates will remain at the same as well. User who performs currency exchange via Eternal Wallet will be charged at 0.5% of the transfer middle rate, while a portion of the user's fee who performed currency exchange will be distributed to XET lenders. During the currency exchange from JPY to PHP in the Eternal Wallet, the transaction will be recorded in the history with the XEC involved in the exchange. As more users want to exchange JPY to PHP, the low balance of XEC-PHP lending interest rate will increase. Country with the higher lending interest rates have a higher value in XEC compared to the country with a lower lending interest rate and their XEC value. Thus, we can estimate the fluctuation of interest rate and the prices shown in the image. Similarly, when the price of XEC is getting different in various markets, users who are using arbitrage to earn profits from the price distortion will appear. If a Japan user acquires PHP by arbitrage trading, the arbitrage operation will be completed only after JPY is exchanged from the viewpoint of exchange risk. This is how the currency exchange from PHP to JPY works in the pool. When the number of users who want to exchange PHP to JPY is increasing, it means that the fiat currency balance in the pool will approach the proper value. Next, the images show the trading flow when PH users are performing arbitrage trading. In this case, Philippine users will have to exchange from Philippine peso to Japanese yen first, so the number of peso in the pool will increase. Meantime, the balance in the pool will approach its proper value. The order of XEC lending is based on first-come, first-served basis. XEC's lending interest rate is based on the country where the users registered their wallet, so the queuing field will be different too. The fact when there are users who exchange their Japanese yen to Philippine peso means that yen in the pool will increase while peso will decrease, and causing the lending interest of XEC in peso will be paid out to the lender. Therefore, the circulation speed of XEC in peso lenders will increase and likewise improves the lending rates. The reason why currency exchange via Eternal Wallet is cheapest in the world is because of its cycling process that keeps the market active. The problem of overseas remittance service providers is that the transfer amount between two countries cannot be the same. Eternal Wallet has solved this problem with the ideas of fluctuating lending interest rate, multi-currency wallet, and pool wallet. Furthermore, Eternal Wallet has also helped avoid the high service fee when remitting to overseas through the bank, by performing P2P transmitting between sender and receiver after the currency exchange via Eternal Wallet. Atom Solutions has submitted the International Patent Application for Overseas Remittance Service (EVOR).